They're talking about
the preschool.
okay, the breed school. So in breed school, okay, so it is a state college, state school that you don't need to pay for the tuition fee. So, and they also following the national curriculum. So as is, you have to study major subjects. But we have an extra that is classes and performing arts. This is the breed school. So the ages in which you can study, so you must be between 14 to 19 years old. Okay, so you can study this one. Okay, probably like grade 7 until grade 10. Okay, now. So we have here Caroline first. Okay, let us, since we are talking grammar, let us have this. Letter A, we use have to and has to. So what is the usage of have to and has to? Okay, to talk about things which are necessary or compulsory. So when you say have to, that's plural. Has to, that's singular. So we use have to or has to talk about things which are necessary or we call it compulsory if it is compulsory. Okay. So like example, we have to do PE at school. So that is compulsory. It's necessary to have PE at school. Okay, so that's necessary or compulsory to have PE at school. Okay. We use don't or doesn't have to talk about things which are not necessary. Again, we use don't or doesn't have to talk about things which are not necessary or compulsory. Okay. We don't use it to say something is against the rules. Okay. So of course, from the word, this is negations or negative do not. Okay. Plural, do not, Caroline. Does not, this is singular. Okay, so don't have to, doesn't have to. So we use this again to talk about things which are not necessary or compulsory. This is negative to the letter A. Okay, we don't use it to say something is against the rules. Okay, example, you can go home now. You don't have to stay until 4:15. Okay, that is the correct usage. You can go home now. You don't have to stay until 4:15. So it means it is not compulsory. It is not necessary for you to stay at 4:15. Okay, not, you don't have to use your mobile phone in class. Okay, this is not correct. You don't have to use your mobile phone in class. Okay, so this one, the first one is correct. Okay, so again, you use don't or doesn't have to talk about things which are not necessary. Okay, you can go home now. You don't have to stay until 4:15. Not, you will not say this or consider this. You don't have to use your mobile phone in class. Okay, so you can see this one. The sentence is not complete. It's hanging. Okay, now we have here next Caroline. Okay, by the way, Caroline, did you understand this? Caroline,
Yes.
you understand?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Let's proceed. Okay. Here we have learned this have to, the same have to. So we have affirmative, you know this already, it's common. Negative or the negations, and the interrogative or the question form. Okay, so this is the pattern. I, you, we, they, you have to use have to. Okay, plural. He, she, it, you have to use the has to. Singular. Okay, so this is truly the pattern. Negative, the same thing. So are you, with, they don't have to. He, she, it doesn't have to. Okay. Are you, we, they don't have to. Plus V. Okay. He, she, it doesn't have to. Okay, this is the negative. Okay. interrogative. Interrogative, do and I, you, we, they. So these are the interrogative. Okay, interrogative. To plus I, you, we, they. Have to plus verb. It is interrogative. It is question form. We use do here because these are plural. I, you, we, and they are plural. Okay, so do I need to follow the rules? Yes, you do. Okay, do we need to go to the market early today? Yes, you do. Or you will say, no, we don't. Okay, does, this is singular. Okay, we use he, she, it have to. Okay, does have to. Look at the have to. In the have to, okay. So in the question form interrogative, it doesn't mean that it is singular. You have to use this. Okay. Okay, here it's plural, you still have to use have to. Singular, you still have to use have to. So this is in question form. Okay, so do I have or do we have to follow rules? Does he or she? Does because singular, he, she, and it. Okay, so again, this is interrogative or question form. Okay, so you understand? This is the usage of have to. You understand, Caroline?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, how many examples of have to can you find in the text? Are they affirmative, negative, or interrogative? Okay, please tell me, or you can underline the have to.
Okay.
Okay, go. How many have to can you find in the text?
Oh, wait. See.
Okay, you tell me if you're done, Caroline.
Yeah, when
Yes. Ibabalik ang dati kong sigla. You have to choose affirmative, negative, or interrogative.
I'm done.
Let us see. What are those have to? First
Read.
one. Hmm?
Read.
Okay, what is, can you please read the sentence?
You have to be between 14 and 19 years old to study at the preschool.
Okay,
Two is
so, okay, first is this one, interrogative. Look at Caroline. Interrogative question. Second one is, what is this? This is?
Huh?
Okay, the second one. This is the one you told me. Okay, this one is affirmative. Okay, next one.
Do you have to pay to study the interrogative?
Interrogative, correct. Okay, what's this? The next one?
The preschool is a state school, so the student don't have to pay.
That
Negative.
is, okay, very easy. That's negative. And this one, the last, this is the interrogative. Okay. So, do the students have to? This is in question form, interrogative. And the answer, of course, there is a has to. The breed school has to follow national curriculum. It's not half, but has to, since we are talking one school. Okay, has to. Okay,
Okay.
this one. Okay, this is in affirmative. Okay. Okay, so here, look at this one. So you might be thinking, why teacher it has to? Because what we are talking here is the breed school, singular. But here, the breed school is a state school, so the students, what they're talking here is students, not breed school. So that is why we use have to. So the students don't have to pay. So this is students, plural. So we have to use have to pay. Okay, here, how old do you have to be go to breed school? Okay, you have to be between 14 and 19 years old to study at the breed schools. Okay, here you have to. Okay, again, we use the expression have to. You also have to live. You have to be between because we are talking here, the subject is Caroline, plural. It's you, of course. So that is why we have to use have to. Do you understand, Caroline?
Yeah.
Very easy. Okay, this one. Listen to the text. How are have to, okay, and has to pronounce. Practice saying them. Okay, how are have to and has to pronounce. Practice saying them. Sorry.
Lesson 2B, Exercise 3.
Brit School Q&A. The Brit School near London is for students with one ambition: to get a job connected with performing arts, music, theatre, film, etc. How old do you have to be to go to the Brit School?
You have to be between 14 and 19 years old to study at the Brit School. You also have to live in or near London.
Do you have to pay to study there?
No, you don't. The Brit School is a state school, so the students don't have to pay.
Do the students have to study all the normal subjects?
Yes. As a state school, the Brit School has to follow the national curriculum. Classes in performing arts are extra.
Okay, so you can hear the one. There are have to was being underlined here. Okay, how you are going to read have to? Can you please read have to, Caroline?
Yeah.
Okay, it's have to. Oh, yeah, it's have to. Okay,
Have.
have to. Yeah, it's have to. Okay, the word has to. Has. It's normal. Okay, can you please read?
Has.
Okay,
to.
has to. Okay, have to, has to follow, has to follow. You don't have to pay. You have to live near London. Okay, you have to go to the Brit school. You have to be between 14 and 19 years old. Okay, so we have to and has to. Okay. Now, complete the sentences about your school, Caroline. Use the affirmative or negative form of have to. Okay. Again, affirmative or negative form of have to. Okay, please. This is about your school. Later, I will ask you. Flowers. Just tell me if you're done, Caroline.
Okay.
Okay? Not yet?
Okay.
Okay, number 1. Please read and answer.
We have to do PE every week.
Okay, we have to or we don't have to do PA every week. This is optional, Caroline. This is about you. So, of course, you say we have to. So, it means it is compulsory, it is necessary to do PE every week. Okay, 2.
The head teacher has to and doesn't have to be at school on Saturday.
Okay, the head teacher has to or doesn't have to. Okay, remember when you use doesn't or do, still have to, Caroline. Okay, don't forget that. The teacher has to because singular. Okay, so but if you have to use doesn't, okay, it is already plural. It's become have to. Okay, 3, correct. 3, Caroline.
We have to wear school uniform.
Okay, we have to wear. This is compulsory. Of course, that's compulsory. We have to wear school uniform. But in other university, they don't have school uniform already. They can wear anything you want to wear. We have schools here in the Philippines, like the University of Philippines. Students there doesn't need to wear uniform. Okay, 4.
4. The school has to stay open at the weekend.
Okay, the school has to stay open at the weekend, or it could be, if it's not, it doesn't have to. But your part, your school has to open at the weekend. Okay, 5.
We have to or don't have to do our homework on computer.
Okay, we have to do all our homework on the computer. Okay, correct. It's have to. This is very easy actually, Caroline. Okay, so that's why I challenge you. Look at the picture of Millie's school day. Then use the affirmative or negative of have to talk about her day. Okay, let us listen. Okay, so first is 2. Look at number 2. She doesn't have to make her own breakfast, number 2, because somebody is cooking for Melly. Okay, number 3. Please, number 3, what is the description and number 3?
She doesn't have to walk to school.
Okay, she doesn't have to walk to school. Very good. 3. Look at number 4. Look at number 4.
She have to do PE at school.
Okay. So she has to do PE at school. She has to do PE at school. Number 5. Look at number 5.
That's right. She has to take exams at school. Take exam.
Okay. She has to take exams. Okay. Has to again. She, singular, only one. Okay, that's number 5. Look at this one. Okay. Number 6. Stay at school after 3:15.
Hmm. She doesn't have to stay at school after 3.
Okay, so she doesn't have to stay at school after 3:15. Look at the clock. It's 3:15. So this one, we are using doesn't have to. So it means this is not necessary or this not compulsory. They are out in school already at 3:15. Okay, you understand this? Very easy. Caroline, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Okay. So please ask and answer the questions about what your teacher has to do at the weekend. Use do you have to and the phrases below. Okay. So you ask me, Caroline. It's my time to answer.
Yeah.
Okay. You ask me. Please ask me. Any.
Do you have to cook dinner?
I don't have to cook dinner because my mom will prepare dinner for us. Okay, what else? Give me 3 questions only.
Do you have to do the ironing?
Do you have to get up early?
Yes.
Caroline? Okay. Yes, I have to get up early because I need to go to school early. Okay, that's it. Next one more questions.
Mm. Do you have to do the washing every day?
Sorry. No, we don't need to do the washing every day. Okay. We will give more time and effort to, okay, to making things which is more important. So probably washing can be done every week. Okay, like if we don't have class Saturday and Sunday. Okay, but weekdays it's very hard to do. Okay, to do washing. Okay. Okay, look at this one. This is adverb of frequency. Okay, we use adverb of frequency to say how something, okay, how often something happens. Okay, we have here different, okay, adverb of frequency. That is, I never have breakfasts. I never have. We put adverbs of frequency after the verb here. Okay, so here we use adverb frequency to say how often something happens. We usually put adverb of frequency before the verb. Okay, so this is the adverb frequency. Caroline never, and the verb here is have. Okay, so another one, we put adverbs of frequency after the verb be. Example, you are always late. Okay, what is the adverb of frequency here? Okay, this one. This is the adverb of frequency. You are always. Okay, so this one, never. Okay, as what it is said in number 1, we have to put adverb of frequency before the verb. Okay, so this is the adverb of frequency and this is the verb. So before the verb, we will have to put the adverb of frequency. Okay. Another one is we put adverb of frequency after the verb be. After the verb be, the be verb. So the be verb here is you are. This is are. You are always late. That is the adverb of frequency. Okay, always. But the be verb, Caroline, is are. Okay, so and again, we put adverbs of frequency after the be verb. So be verb first, after adverb of frequency. Okay, you understand, Caroline?
Yeah.
So yeah, we have here adverb of frequency and the distance or the measurement 5%. Okay, always it's the top 100% and 0 never. Okay, when you say 0, Caroline, it's never. Never, never, never. When you say always, it's always. Oh, I always have money. Oh, it means there's always money. You are rich, you always have money. Okay? And what is in between the 50%? It is sometimes. Or I sometimes sing in the shower. Okay, this is sometimes. Okay? So the best is always, that's 100% and never 0. Okay, so remember that 0, never 0. Okay. Oh, by the way, when we are in the social media, like we try to go in the coastline of the sea. Okay, we probably have to uh we have to, like, what they call that one? We have to get seashells, the seashells. Okay, so it is, you will use the word sometimes. I sometimes have to go to the sea. Okay, so that is sometimes. Okay, now find for adverb of frequency in the dialogue. Find for adverb of frequency in the dialogue. Again, find for adverb of frequency, ha, Caroline, in the dialogue. Adverb of frequency. Example, never. Okay, that's adverb of frequency. Find for.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you say never, that's 0. When you say 100%, that is
Always.
literally always. Okay, when you say hardly never, like it is 10%. Okay, going up, hardly ever. So it means you can't decide yet. It's hardly ever. But 0, it's really 0. Okay, never. Okay, let us read this one. Okay, I am Macy and you will be Ben. Okay. Are you a member of the school club, Ben?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so we'll read I am Messi and you're Ben. Are you a member of the school club?
No, I'm not. But at La Dijon one, which club do you go to?
Oh, I often go to photography club. It's always good fun. And sometimes go to music club. Next, Ben.
Photography club.
Mhm. Mr. Carleton, the art teacher.
And live
Ben,
stream. Who
yeah.
often does the
Once a week, we usually meet on Fridays after school, but it is sometimes on Thursday in the lunch break. Why don't you come along?
good idea? Hey, when does the next lesson start?
Okay, in 2 minutes. Come on, Mr. Baker is always cross when students arrive late. Okay. So what do you think they're talking about, Caroline?
They're talking about a school club.
Yes, they're talking about the school club. Okay. So like there's photography. Okay, so there's a music club. It is different club. Okay. So Messi said once a week we usually meet on Friday after school, but it is sometimes on Thursday in the lunch. Okay. So in 2 minutes, come on, Mr. Baker is always cross when students arrive late. Okay, so they're talking here about the club. Okay. Okay, we have the in circle. We have often, another, always. What else? Go.
Sometimes.
Okay. We have sometimes. What else?
Mm,
Okay, it is another usually.
usually.
Yes, another one. Have you seen?
Sometimes.
Okay, we have sometimes. Okay, sometimes. Sometimes is in between now. Okay, and often. Okay, next one, we have here usually. So usually, Caroline, it's nearly 100%, nearly always. Okay, sometimes it is like in the middle. Sometimes it is like in the middle. Okay, so when you say always, that's 100%. Okay, so these are the track on how you will going to identify how you used the adverb of frequency. Now, put the adverb of frequency in the bracelet in the correct place in the sentence. Kate watches TV in her bedroom sometimes. Okay, this one. Put the verb, I will give example, ha? Okay. Kate sometimes watches TV in her bedroom. Please answer that like the example. Go. Okay, this is the last activity, Caroline.
So after
Number
so
2.
up late for school.
Joe is often late for school. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can see that the adverb of frequency comes after the be verb, the S. Okay. This one, number 3.
Harry never goes dancing.
Okay, the same. Harry never goes dancing. Okay. 4. Okay. Hannah hardly ever does sport at the weekend. Hardly. Hardly ever. Hannah does sport at the weekend. Hannah hardly ever does sport at the weekend. Hardly. Okay. So it is near to. Okay, near to. Hardly. No, it's near to. Okay, near to I cannot mention this one. Hannah hardly ever does sport at the weekend. So here we have the verb does and the word hardly comes before. Okay, next one. William listened to music in bed. Please your answer. Read your answer. Okay, that's number 5. William listens to music in bed, usually. Okay, this is near to always. Okay, wait me, huh? Maybe I am wrong. Okay, yeah, near to always. Okay. Hardly, it means that is after, okay, after the word never. Okay. William listened to music in bed, usually. So you can see in here the word usually, which is the adverb of frequency, comes before the verb lessons. Oh, the same with this. It comes, okay. Have you hardly, this one comes before the word sports. Okay. Harry never goes dancing. Okay, this is singular. Okay. Joe is late for school. Joe often late for school. Okay. Okay, correct. Kate sometimes watches TV in her bedroom. Okay. Now, okay, Kate sometimes watches TV in her bedroom. Sometimes. Look at the possession of sometimes. It comes before the verb. Okay. Here, Joe is late for school. Late. Okay. This is late. Okay. And it is introduced with is. Okay. Is late. Okay. Caroline, do you have questions with this lesson?
Okay.
Do you have questions? Okay. So that's enough for now. Caroline, do you have questions?
No.
Okay, very good. If you don't have questions, Teacher Ann will say goodbye now. And Caroline, I will see you on Sunday. Okay, let us hope to do discussion on Sunday. Okay, Caroline?
Okay, teacher.
Yes, thank you so much for tonight. I hope you learned. I know, Caroline, this is quite, what you call it, easy because we are still in the beginning, okay? Most of the test questions about grammar is just easy about adverb today. Quite easy. But as you expect in the future, it will become quite hard, okay? Thank you so much,
Okay.
Caroline, for today. God bless and see you on Sunday, 4 p.m. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.